Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can move ad campaigns from one account to other very quickly without using the original Google Ads dashboard. Instead, we'll be using a very nice tool which is provided by Google, and it's a free tool which is called as Google Ads Editor. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Okay, so in order to start, first of all, you'll have to install Google Ads Editor on your system. So whether you are using Mac or PC, you'll have to install it first of all on your system. And once it is installed, then the main thing starts. So let me give you a brief overview that what I'm trying to do here. So as you can see here on my screen here that I'm having two different ad accounts. Now this is one of the ad account, and by uh, you know some chance it got suspended. So now in such a case, what we have done is we have created a new account and for the same brand. And now our main motive here is to move these two campaigns into this new account. So account number one is this one and account number two is this one. And we need to move these particular ad campaigns into the new account. So this is our main goal for today. So there are two ways for doing this. First is you can open up each of the ad campaigns and go to the ad groups, create ad groups here, create campaign here. Then you can again go back to the old campaign and copy all the ads, headlines, descriptions, URLs, etc. Everything, image extensions, call extensions, site links, and you can do all these things here in the new account. The other way around is, which is a very quick method, is Google Ads Editor. So once you have installed Google Ads Editor, let me show you how does it look like. So this is the icon for Google Ads Editor, and once I'll click here, then you will see that it is asking me for adding up the account. So first of all, I'll add the account here. So it is asking me to open the particular Google account which is linked to my Google Ads account. So I'll do that first. So once you will add up the Google account here, so then the next step would be to choose specific Google Ads account that on which you want to work. So if you want, you can download all these accounts also, but I only want to work on two accounts, the old account and the new account. So I'll download the data under these Google Ad accounts into my Google Ads Editor dashboard. So I'll simply click here OK, and now it is asking me that you want to download all the data for these campaigns. I am saying yes. Okay, so let's click OK here, and now it will start downloading all the data for both these Google Ad accounts. So first thing first, let me make things simple for you. So basically in Google Ads Editor, when we are working, the first thing that we need to do here is that we need to download all the data from the Google Ads servers. And once it is downloaded, then you can make bulk changes in the ad accounts. And then you can, once you have done all these changes, then you can post these particular changes again back to the Google Ads servers via this ad editor tool. So it has downloaded the new ad campaign is not having any campaigns, like the new ad account is not having any campaigns. So that's why it's saying that 0 campaigns have been downloaded. But here you can see that this particular ad account is having multiple campaigns. So it is downloading all the campaign data related to all the campaign data, site links, call extensions, shared libraries, everything. It is currently downloading. So 45 campaigns have been downloaded. This includes active as well as paused campaigns. So now what I'll do is I'll select these two and I'll click on open to accounts. So now it is giving me some warning and I have read that and I'm comfortable with this particular thing. So now these are the two campaigns, do ad accounts, sorry, on which we have to work. So I hope you know the basic hierarchy in Google Ad accounts. Basically, the Google Ad accounts are having this hierarchy, like account is come first, then under account you have got campaigns, then you have got ad groups, then you have got keywords, and using those keywords you create ads. So this is the hierarchy that we follow. So here there are two ad accounts. So one of them is this one, the new one, and the other one is the old one from which we need to shift the data or copy the data. Okay, so let it load up. So this is the account that was suspended. Okay, so now we need to shift two of the campaigns related to this brand. Okay, so first of all, what I'll do here is that I need to sort this particular data. So it contains a lot of campaigns which are paused, removed, and active. So I'll click here on the status icon, and what this will do is it will bring all the active campaigns together. Now, since all the active campaigns are together now, I can select the campaigns that I want to move or copy to the new account. Now, again, you will ask me a question here that whether we should move the campaigns or whether we should copy the campaigns. It depends totally upon you, but I always recommend you to copy the campaigns. Once your campaigns are properly copied, then afterwards, you can always delete or remove the campaigns from the old Google Ad account. So now here I need to move two of the campaigns. One of them is this one and the second one is this one. So I'll select first of all the responsive search ad campaign here, and I'll simply I'll do the right click here, click on copy, and now I'll go to the other Google Ads account, and here I'll simply click here once and do the right click and click on paste. Now what this will do is it has pasted that campaign which I had copied from the other account. Now before like this particular thing, the copy pasting has been done inside Google Ads editor dashboard only, but in order to make it live, you'll have to post these particular changes, and once you will post them, then they will be uploaded into the server. So before starting the posting process, I always recommend that you should always check here on the left hand side panel whether there is any red mark. So if there is any particular red mark like this one, you'll have to resolve those particular errors, because if you will not resolve those particular red errors, then the Google Ads editor will not going to post your changes to the server. So since here right now I'm not seeing any of the red marks, these yellow marks you can ignore, they are just suggestions or recommendations, but the red marks need emergency, they need your attention, high attention. So since there are no red marks here, so we can go ahead and click on post. Now when I click on post here, then it is again giving me a summary of what things will be uploaded into the server. So it is telling me that like one campaign, one ad group, these many keywords, these many negative keywords, these many locations, all these particular things will going to upload on the Google Ad servers. So I'll go ahead and click on post now. So you can see here this particular thing rotating. Now this particular thing has shown me some error here, and you can see here some errors are there. And if you want to see the details, then you can always click here and you can see that it has not posted any of the things. The error that it is giving is mutate action not permitted for the client. Now I'll show you how you can resolve this particular error also. But before that, in case you are getting any of the errors, you can always do two things. First thing, you can click on view error log, and here you will get an idea that which particular thing is causing the problem. So here you can see that image is causing some issue. You can see here, and lead form is causing some issue. Okay, again lead form causing some issue, then image is causing some issue. You get a brief overview here. And in case you want to get more details, then you can click here how to fix this, and this will open up a particular tab in your browser where the common error codes are given and what it means, how to fix it, and all the resources are given. So you can always refer to this particular section also. But since this particular error that I'm getting is not listed here, so what I'll do is I'll simply go here, close this one, and I'll again review this particular section, and I'll try to see if there are any red marks. So you can see here there are some red marks here. So what we'll do is, you can see here we have got a red mark in the account level and red mark in the ad extension level. So first of all, we'll resolve this particular thing. So we'll expand this particular thing and we'll see, okay, so it is showing some error in the shared library. Again, we'll click here, and now it is showing error in the lead form extension. As I told you, it was there in the error logs also. So I'll click here and I'll simply remove this lead extension here for now. Okay, next thing, you can see the account level error has been removed. Now I'm not seeing any particular error. So what I'll do is I'll again go here, click on campaign, and now I'll retry to post the changes into the server. Let it complete. So now it is again trying to copy. Again, some error has been generated. So we can again try to see here. Let's expand this a little bit. Now, if you'll go into the error section here, then you will see under the error log, the same error has been coming up. And if you'll go here, you can see that some errors are there in the image now. Okay, so what we can do is, this thing I got an idea from community forums in Google Ads. Then whenever you're getting such an error, what you can do is you can go to the shared library and you can go to the shared image extensions, and here you can remove these shared images. And most of the times when you remove these, the errors are resolved. So let's try and see if the thing that I have studied works well here or not. So again, we'll select the ad account, we'll go to campaign, select the campaign, and we'll go and click on post. Let's post it. So now it is starting. It is trying to see if it can post things. And when it will start posting, then you will see a green color arising here. Okay, so it has worked well. Okay, so the thing that we have done by removing image extension has shared image extensions has worked. And now you can see that it has finished posting. And when you will click here, you can see here that it has posted all the things on the server that are listed here. So if you want to check, you can always go back, and I can simply, currently it is not showing any campaign, but when I'll refresh this particular ad account, let me refresh it once more. It has started showing me this particular ad campaign. So this is how you can move a particular ad campaign from one Google ad account to another Google ad account using Google Ads Editor. I hope that this particular video is uh, informational, and I mean you like watching this particular video. And the main advantage of this particular trick is that it saves a lot of time. Rather than you diving into copying and pasting, it helps you speeding up the overall uh, uh, process of moving the campaigns. And the second thing is that like you can also use Google Ads editor for making bulk changes. So I'll try to create some other video also where I can show you the bulk changes that we can do using Google Ads editor. So that's it for today, and I hope that you loved watching this particular video. In case you have got any doubts, and you can always share your comments and suggestions in this video. So thank you for being with me and watching this video. Take care.